Hi guys! Good morning! So ngayon, babalik tayo ng Manila for the meantime. Okay? Dahil sa work conflict. So kailangan muna natin bumalik ng Manila. And samahan niyo ako sa journey from here to the airport, Tan Son Nhat International Airport dito sa Vietnam. Flying back to the Philippines. Okay guys, nakasakay tayo. Going to the airport. Let's go.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking the place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in this room, trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm jealous. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting.
Okay guys, we finally made it here sa Tan Son Nhat International Airport. Pasok tayo sa loob para mag-drop ng luggage natin.
Trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in this room, trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm
Okay guys, nakalagpas na tayo ng immigration and final security check. Andito na tayo ngayon sa loob. Naglalakad papunta sa boarding gate natin. Our boarding gate is number 19. So lakad lang tayo doon. Sad to say pala guys, nawala yung mimi ko sa bag. Hindi ko alam kung sinadyang kunin or kasi imposible naman malalaglag yun nang wala ko kuha eh. Anyway, baka umorder na lang ulit ako. Sayang. So yun. So, kain muna tayo dito sa Star Cafe. Okay, we're here at boarding gate 19. Iba na tayo guys. Kaso na lang tayo mag-chill. Then tayo magubos ng oras natin. And let's see kung ano pa yung mabibili natin dito. Ay, going back to the Philippines na. This is it. Okay guys, boarding na tayo pero hindi pa tayo tinatawag kasi medyo bandang unahan yung seat natin. So ang tinatawag ngayon yung mga nakaupo sa dulo. Okay guys, we are finally boarding the plane going back to the Philippines. Our seat is 33A. Siyempre, window tayo, diba? Ayun na. Nakakasakay na tayo. Boarding the aircraft now. Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we finally boarded the plane and we are now bound for Philippines. And then, pag nakarating na tayo doon, update ko kayo, okay?
Ay, hindi ba nabuo?
We finally landed, guys. Exit na tayo. Sabi carousel number 1 daw kukunin yung luggage. Pero for sure, mababago na naman yung pagdating doon. So guys, we are here at the baggage claim na. So tama ako. Nagbago yung carousel number. So from 1, naging carousel number 3. And then, antayin na lang natin yung luggage natin. Tapos, exit na tayo sa custom clearance. And then, magbubuk na tayo ng ride going. Okay guys, we finally made it out here at Naiya. Nagbubuk na tayo ng ride. Kaya lang, ang hirap mag-book ngayon ng ride kasi lahat nag-uuwi yan after ng Holy Week mo. Ang daming tao ngayon dito sa Naiya Terminal. So, cross finger pa rin na makakuha tayo ng ride para makauwi tayo. So, dito na lang i-end ko na itong vlog na ito. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa video ito. And thank you sa lahat na sumusuporta. Then, hindi pa kayo naka-follow, please follow me on my social, on IG at chatmaster27 and subscribe on this channel. Again, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. I'll see you again in the next vlog. Bye!